Namaste, children. Welcome back to social science class. Children, in the previous class, we learnt about the Mughal dynasty. Isn't it, children? Yes. We also came to know that Marathas were the ones who revolted against the Mughals in the Deccan regions when the Mughals were at the height of the power in North India. And such lesson that is about Marathas, let us learn today, children. And Shivaji, you can see Shivaji's pic here. Shivaji was the founder of Maratha dynasty. Shivaji was born in Shivaneri Durga near Pune. And Shivaji's father was Shahaji Bhosle. Shivaji's father was Shahaji Bhosle. He held a high post in the office of the Sultan of Bijapur. We have learned Sultan of Bijapur already, isn't it, children? Yes. I hope you remember. But Shivaji was brought up under the care of his mother Jijabai. Jijabai used to tell him all the stories of brave people and also stories of great persons. She used to tell him while feeding for him. So such a great mother was Jijabai. And Shivaji's tutors were Dadaji Kondadeva, he is Dadaji Kondadeva, and Tanaji Malashur. The tutors Dadaji Kondadeva and Tanaji Malashur taught him the lessons of warfare. In the beginning, Shivaji assembled the Maratha leaders and Malavas, the tribal people of Western Ghats, and he built a strong brigade. And at the age of 19 years, Shivaji captured Torana Durga, which was under the control of Adil Shah of Bijapur. After this, he won Rayagada, Simhagada, and Pratapagada one by one. So, when he started conquering all these, the Sultan of Bijapur he got enraged and he sent his general Afzal Khan to suppress Shivaji. Afzal Khan he wanted to kill Shivaji deceitfully. So, Afzal Khan invited Shivaji under the pretext of reconciliation. So, for the talks he called. Expecting this, Shivaji killed Afzal Khan with Vagranaka. Vagranaka is a weapon that he had with him. See here, this is also called tiger's claw, children. Vagranaka is tiger's claw. It will be like that only. And in the hand they will wear and just pierce it. So, by using this weapon, Shivaji killed Afzal Khan. On learning these advancements of Shivaji, Aurangzeb sent his general of Deccan province, Shahista Khan, to curb Shivaji. But Shivaji was very clever and he was able to defeat Shahista Khan. And after he had a fight with Shahista Khan, Shivaji attacked Shahista Khan and Khan somehow he escaped, but he lost his thumb, children. And in panic, Shahista Khan fled from Pune. This maddened Aurangzeb, so he sent a huge army under the leadership of Raja Jayasimha. Jayasimha defeated Shivaji and captured a few Maratha forts. At the end, Jayasimha invited Shivaji to Delhi to come to have treaty with Aurangzeb. But when Shivaji went to Aurangzeb, Aurangzeb arrested Shivaji on his arrival and kept him in the prison in Agra. But Shivaji played a trick and he escaped from jail and reached his capital. After that, he won all the forts that he had lost to the Mughals. He attacked Surat and ransacked huge wealth from Surat. And this is the photo of the coronation of Shivaji, children. In Raigada, Shivaji was conferred with the title Chhatrapati and was crowned king of Marathas in a lavish ceremony. Soon after coronation, Shivaji won Jinji, Velluru, and large area of Mysuru province and received a heavy tribute. But Shivaji could not live long to witness the grandeur of the Marathas. How was the administration of Shivaji? There were 8 ministers called Ashtapradhanas to assist Shivaji in the administrative matters. The prime minister was called as the Peshwa. You can see here, Pradhana, you can see all these Amatya, Pantapradhan, Sachiv, Mantri, Senapati, Sumant, Panditarao, Nyayadish, all these eight ministers were there who used to assist Shivaji. In that, the prime minister was called as the Peshwa. After the death of Shivaji, a political crisis arose, but it was successfully solved by the Peshwas and smoothened the administration. So, from then onwards, the administration of Maratha provinces was taken over by the Peshwas. So, very important were Balaji Vishwanath. Balaji Vishwanath he is, and Bajirao first, and Balaji Bajirao are the important Peshwas who ruled the Maratha kingdom. But children, Shivaji was very good in guerrilla warfare. What do you mean by guerrilla warfare? I have already explained to you. It is just like a surprise attack of hit and run tactic by the group of soldiers. Like that only he was like a threatening dream for the enemies. Okay, like that there are many adventurous stories of Shivaji. You must read all the adventurous stories of Shivaji, children, and also you must complete your notes. Okay, children, thank you.